How to find out if someone has hidden their Instagram story from you. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can find out if somebody has hidden their Instagram story from you. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So to do this, the easiest way is to create a second account on Instagram. On this second account, you can go and view the story of the person you suspect has blocked you. And if you can see it on your new account and not on your main account, you know you've been blocked. There are other benefits to creating a second account, but if you don't want to do this, you could always ask a friend to view that person's story for you, and if they can see it and you can't see it, well, you know that person's blocked you from seeing their story. And that's all it takes to find out if someone has hidden their Instagram story from you. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.